Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your MUD/WTR bottle. First, unbox your new MUD/WTR kit and check that you have all the pieces. Give your bottle and lid a good wash with warm, soapy water before using them for the first time. This ensures everything is clean and ready. Then, prepare your MUD/WTR blend as directed on the packaging, usually 1 scoop per serving. Now, let's mix your drink. Add 1 level scoop of MUD/WTR powder into your clean bottle. Next, carefully pour in about 8 to 10 ounces of hot water or your preferred milk. Make sure the lid is securely fastened to prevent any spills. Give the bottle a good shake for about 15 seconds until the powder is fully dissolved and blended. Enjoy your warm, comforting beverage. Keeping your MUD/WTR bottle clean is simple. After you finish your drink, rinse the bottle right away with warm water. This helps prevent any residue from sticking. For a thorough clean, hand wash it with warm, soapy water and a bottle brush. Make sure to clean the lid and any other components too. Finally, let all parts air dry completely before putting them away. Here are a few extra tips for your MUD/WTR experience. Feel free to experiment with various milk alternatives, like oat or almond milk, and different natural sweeteners to find your perfect blend. For an even creamier texture, try using a small frother. It makes a big difference. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. This robot vacuum offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.